Hello viewers, let's try converting some BNB tokens to AMF token in PancakeSwap. To use the PancakeSwap, I will enter the Trust wallet. As you can see, I have a few BNB tokens. So I go into the browser, look for PancakeSwap. It's loading. Yep, I have already connected my wallet. It's super easy. Let me show you once again. I disconnect it and press on connect. More. Oh, here is Trust Wallet, and you are done. Your wallet is connected. So I have already BNB is already selected, and make sure you are on the Binance Smart Chain. Yeah, BNB Smart Chain. You are on the swap tab. Okay. It's showing the balance. So I need to change this cake to AMF. Here are okay. As you can see, AMF here. Add me first. So its balance is 100. Yep, that's 100. I have it 100 balance. Okay, let's select it. Now put the amount max. No, what should be the minimum amount? I wonder. Okay, it's cutting about 0.01 BNB. I think that's the charge. There are a couple of charges. Yeah, there is a slippage tolerance, so it's converting this amount into 1508 AMF, but I receive 1501 around due to this slippage tolerance. So there is a conversion fee, I think, but it might be low in case of BNB. Showing the amount of BNB per AMF. Now, should I press the swap? Everything seems okay, and 0.01 BNB should be the charge. Okay, let's test the minimum amount. I only put what 0001. Let's see. I get 3 AMF. It's not showing any minimum amount. Okay, if there is any minimum amount at all. Okay, let's put some more zeros. 1. Okay, but it's also giving me the values. If liquidity provider fee also reduced. So I think there is no minimum amount. You get you receive the AMF command is quantity showing. Let's go back to max. Now I want to reduce the quantity to 0.01. I get 382 AMF token. Current balance is 100. So let's try swapping this amount. Swap. Okay, I get 0.0132. Slip is tolerance. Output is estimated you will receive at least for the transaction will revert. Okay, price 38. Okay, per BNB. Minimum receive liquidated price. Okay, let's confirm the swap. Now it's asking for some BNB, which is two. Okay, what is this? Smart network fees around 0.00796 BNB, which is around $0.22, 22 cents. Okay, dismiss it. Let's convert all the BNBs. Let's see how much is the network fee. Okay, swap. It's showing the amount. Confirm swap. How much is the network fee now? Yeah, that's the BNB it will cut from me, and the network fee is the same. Okay, network fee is the same. Okay, so should I approve it or not? So it has already gone to, so let's approve it. Swap is taking place. Okay, I already have added this AMF token to my wallet. So let's check if it has arrived. Yep, I have the AMF token. Balance increased to almost $11. Well, $12 I should say. My wallet balance is $26. And no, wait, $26. Oh no, yeah, $15. That's okay right now. Yep, so it has been done, and I am still left with around 2.5 BNB, 2.5 USD BNB. Yep, swap successful, and hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.